Now, we here at the Daily Wire, we've been dropping truth bombs for years. Tonight, I'm very excited to reveal for the very first time our gold-plated truth bomb. To be fair, Jeremy revealed it earlier, but I'm doing it. Again, look at this thing. It is absolutely magnificent. It's extremely heavy. So this is a testament to both the quality of Birch Gold, the quality of Daily Wire, and also the quality of my workouts. This gold-plated truth bomb was made possible by none other than our friends over at Birch Gold. Now, you might be wondering, how can I get my hands on this one-of-a-kind item? Well, folks, you need to go buy some gold from Birch Gold. It's that simple. Text BEN to 989898. Talk to one of Birch Gold's advisors. They'll help you convert your existing IRA or 401k money that, let's be real, has been sitting in a bank somewhere. You probably forgot about it until now. Well, why don't you think about turning that into an IRA in gold? Do you have a 401k from a previous employer you haven't rolled over? Convert that into a Birch Gold account. For a limited time, the first 30 Daily Wire followers who make a qualifying purchase from Birch Gold by July 31st will receive this very, or like another one of these, Golden Truth Bomb.
Yeah, that one's mine.
This one belongs to Jeremy. That's right. We've only got a handful of these bad boys, so don't wait. Text BEN to 989898 right now. In all seriousness, now is an excellent time to diversify at least some of your savings into gold before Joe Biden throws the entire world into chaotic panic that ends with nuclear annihilation. Saudi Arabia recently ended its 50-year petrodollar deal with the United States that has the potential to weaken the U.S. dollar. Lots of economists are concerned about how this could impact the value of the United States dollar. Plus, again, Joe Biden is still the president for at least another several months. For over 20 years, Birch Gold Group has helped tens of thousands of Americans to protect their savings by converting an IRA or 401k into an IRA in physical gold. Let me tell you, this is heavy gold. To learn more, text BEN to 989898. Talk to one of their experts. If you make a qualifying purchase by July 31st, you will get this Golden Truth Bomb, not this one. Again, this is Jeremy's. You'll get your own.